Welcome to another massive unboxing, and today's feature is the Ultra 7.0 TDF P-01 casting from Kyosho, which is also a Japan Post Office commemorative car. And what you see here is the recent Ultraman from Netflix. The action figure is from SH Figure Arts. I purchased this figure just for fun, and it's interesting that the Ultraman size now is not as gigantic as the past. Take a closer look at the Kyosho Pointer TDF P-01. Very clean, very retro. At the side of the outer box, you can see the movie scenes in those days, just like I watched on TV. More shots of the pointer casting, very nice. When you flip open the cover, you can see the casting is very nicely displayed in the center of the box. You can see the front, rear and side view of the casting. Behind you can also see the casting just like your Hot Wheels RLC card, and also accompanied by the top view line art. Love all this solarized graphic on the box. It's very premium. And here you go, you can see the stem set. The stem set is detachable from the box. It reveals more info about the pointer and also more movie scenes. Very nice. You can see that's the lead casting for Ultraman back in those days. And also all these are limited edition stamps, unique to Ultraman. The casting comes in a standard acrylic case that can be removed with ease. You can see the actual casting from many angles without removing the box, and that's great. The solarized graphic looks great on the black background. First impression, the pointer TDF PO-1 looks massive in 1:64 scale as compared with the Kyosho 2000 GT, which is also a STEM commemorative car. You can see the huge difference in proportion, although both are in 1:64 scale. Very nice livery and paint job, just like the actual movie car back in those days, like a time machine. Love the execution at the top, it looks very retro and very awesome. The front is very detailed, with plastic insert headlights. And although this actual movie casting looks sci-fi, it's still a very nice replicated car for the Ultra 7 movie back in those days. And it's one of my favorite in my collection. More Kyosho unboxing coming. And remember to subscribe to my second channel, Hot Kustoms Unboxing. You can refer to the link down below my comment section. Thanks everyone, bye!